Hello friends, welcome to Sajjad ArtWala. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today we are going to make watercolor using pigments. For making watercolor, the material required are pigment, the color you can choose of your own, gum arabic. This is gum arabic and it's quite gummy, and honey. First of all, what we have to do is to remove the grains from the pigment. So we will start doing it. So friend, as you can see that there are no grain in it. So now in the next step we are going to add honey, small amount of honey. Just a little bit honey, and then we will add small amount of gum arabic, 2 to 3 drops only, because it is binding agent. Now we will start mixing it. So guys, after mixing a lot, as you can see, I have made another blue watercolor and then I have mixed them to get a new color. You can do it by, in the start when you crush the grain, you can add another color and make the new shade. If you want to make it thick, you can add less amount of gum arabic. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel Sajjad ArtWala for more interesting video. In the next video, I'm going to make chalk pasting.